If you struggle to make your solos sound musical, this lesson is for you. If you know a few pentatonic shapes and a few triads, but you still struggle to have your solos really have that wow factor, this lesson is also for you. There is one simple trick that the pros know that the amateurs don't, and this is following the chord changes. We'll get into what that sounds like in a few seconds. If this is the first time we're meeting, my name is Alec Lehrman, played on Grammy-nominated records from Jonathan McReynolds to Molly Music to BTS to Aloe Blacc to Anderson Paak, to name a few. Today, I want to teach you a lesson I wish I had had 20 years ago. As always, you can download the backing track in the description. And if you want a deeper dive on this subject matter, I have a course listed in the description that covers chord changes in depth. Now today we're going to be in the key of A. And if you're used to this A pentatonic shape, we're already going to be breaking out of that box, okay? We're going to be up here in this A pentatonic. You also need to know your major scale. Today we're going to be working on the D, G, and B strings. If you want more in-depth on all the string sets, you can check out the course link below in the description. Before we play anything, I want you to just listen. Listen to the chords going by, listen to the groove. Just before you play anything, before you start playing those favorite shapes you have, just listen. The chords are A, E, F sharp minor, D. And just loops, okay? So before you start playing this pentatonic shape, which is really what amateurs would do. If you want to capture the nuances of the chord changes, you're going to outline the chord changes and play the triads. So you're going to play A, E, F sharp minor, D major. Okay? You're going to add little riffs. And what you can also do, so you don't feel boxed in and so you can connect the triads with the pentatonics and the major scale, is that the triads will be your foundation, but you can also sprinkle on top the pentatonics and the major scale. So that looks and sounds like this. So really, what you want to do is highlight the chords. You're literally seeing them go by, and you're playing the chords and playing only the right notes. And then when you want to just give a little extra, you can play the pentatonic scale or the major scale and add that as sprinkles on top, okay? If you want a deeper dive on this subject, I have a course that covers this, and you can check it out in the description. The great thing about this method of playing is it combines triads and pentatonics and major scales and arpeggios all into one cohesive idea. So one thing that bothers me, and I'm sure it bothers you, is that you'll go and look online to try to solo, and it's a pentatonic lesson or it's a triad lesson, but there's no way to combine everything. And this method that I'm showing you, that you're learning right here, will combine all of those methods. It's a seamless combination, so you don't have to feel like, oh, I'm thinking pentatonics, now I got to switch my brain to triads. No, this is a way to combine everything, okay? Another added benefit is that you're going to learn how to make up parts in songs because the chord tones will be right there. So rather than just playing random pentatonics, if we do our chord progression A, E, F sharp, D, and we're playing these triads right here, you can make up really cool guitar parts like because you're seeing the chords go by and you're able to see the triads without having to move also up and down the neck. If you stuck around this far, I want to give you a little treat. A way you can break out of this pentatonic box is you can add what I like to call a pentatonic superhighway, and it looks and sounds like this. And then we get all the way back up here. There's 2 superhighways on the guitar. I'm showing you one of the 2. If you're interested in learning the other one, it's in the course below. This sounds a lot like the Allman Brothers, but if you want to add a little like pizzazz to your playing while you're playing those triads, this is a great way to do it, that little superhighway. So you could do something like this. So you can really get low and get high without having to just stay in this little box. And I absolutely love using that superhighway. A lot of the pros use that superhighway. And if this is the first time you're learning it, I can't wait for you to unlock the fretboard just by knowing that. Now that you understand the basics of soloing over chords, you're going to want to dig even deeper and learn more about chord changes by watching this video.